Tlatalax was an infiltration.
Infiltration?
Yes. Tlatalax was sent to come and destabilize Operation Tutula. He tried first time, he didn't succeed, he left. Wabuya wacela uxolo, and we forgave him. Wabuya, but wakosa damage because at that time ubese waziwa ngithi bese ka hero sebambiza upresident and wabona ngathi he's got it all, and wathi meke hamba wacabanga ukuthi uhamba naba bonke abantu, but bese bambonile abantu ukuthi uyinhlobo bani kaPende. It's all about himself, and
who sent him?
His ANC people.
ANC.
That I'm 100% sure of, because that's the same reason why esenabo manje.
Osukwini la izolo ke kwaba khona inxabano phakathi kukaNhlanhla kanye noPhakela Umthakathi. Umphakathi waseBramfisher uye wabiza uPhakela Umthakathi uthi ucela uzolekelela ukuze kukhishwe labantu abangebona abala eSouth Africa, mabasa Somalia noma Bangladesh noma kuphi, kodwa labantu noma Ethiopia abakhishwe kulama spaza shop kuzongena umuntu wala eSouth Africa. Siyazi futhi ukuthi kunabantu base South Africa abaphila ngakho lokuthi barentisele abantu ama-spaza shop. Ngeke ngakuchaza lokho kuyivile enyenze earlier ngathi kunabantu bala eSouth Africa umsebenzi wabo ukugada lama-spaza shop. Yibona abavikelela ama-spaza shop, kukhona ngisho amaphoyisa enza lowo msebenzi. Ngakho ke ngeke uzubathinte labantu bama-spaza shop. So sibonile osukwini la izolo ukuthi uthe usufikile umphakathi wayefika uNhlanhla esefikile uNhlanhla uma sekufikile uPhakela Umthakathi kwase kuba nomsindo phakathi kwabo. uNhlanhla wenza ivideo ke la achaze khona ukuthi kwenzakaleni ukuze kugcine kusuka lo yamsindo leya. Ucaphunela leyo video ngoba kunezinto ezibalulekile funeka sizikhulume.
Tabe ya batho ba tsamanze ba kwala diphaza. Haba yetsetse revolution. There's no revolution there at all. Haba yetsetse revolution, ba yetsetsa extortion. When, let me tell you what happens just so you understand. They bring a crowd of people. Hey, we're closing the spaza, we're closing the spaza. During the day. Sunset, they go, two of them. They knock. Baba, give us 2,000, the spaza will open tomorrow. It's an extortion syndicate. It's not a revolution. And this is why this thing is not supported by community. Which also comes to this point. People by 20 or people by 10, they can't call themselves community. Soweto has about millions and millions of people. For 20 people to call themselves community. Community, and the community says we must say close the shop. There's no community that says close the shop. Now, the party is serious today. By illegally. Go tiki. Go cousin Zakara. Banal shop. And let me tell you why no one will ever close that shop. I don't care who you are. Mamela lalikata li vutile le tlaga di pasta KZN, because those people made it clear that we are under March and we are here to close the shop. Ole mangwe no tlokwala shop. And we said it very nicely. Ask the question. Listen. If you say we knew on the 30th the people must go, who put that date? Phakela. You must go there with your agreement with Phakela there. There, it's not our agreement, that thing. It's yours and those who understand it. It's not ours. The community, most of the communities just scared to come out and speak. Some communities, by the way, have been coming out to tell these people closing shops that it's katora hlanyetsang sing mo ka siarona. Batho ba tswa dikasta bona ba ba tswa di hostel. Go di hostel shopo tse ding dia span, mara ba tla mo ka siarona ba tlo kwala shop. But the rest of one ntotsa batho ba bang ke bua ka tlhatlhe. Now what happened? At my family house, okay? These people come, yesterday they come with guns, and I'll show you a video now of one of the people there in the yard. With guns, crowbars, they're breaking into the house. Yeah, when you come back at night, you're going to burn this house if you don't chase these people out. Oh, no problem. Phonele batho ba khote, kaofela ba mphonele. Yes, bale. This was going on here, no problem, I'll go. Today when I arrived, I was hoping that some of them come back. They did come back. We are not here for your own opinions, saying that you don't want these Somalians or Ethiopians or whatever. That's your baby. Your hate is yours. It's not for us to inherit. We did one thing. We checked. Are they documented? They are very documented. We check through and through. Are they selling the right things? They're selling the right things. So who are you to then come to us and tell us that the money that you are using to pay your kids' school fees and to make sure the family continues the way it's been continuing, you must stop where that money comes from. Now, when the schools start calling us after 3 months because we stopped because of your own opinions, what must we tell the school? That some people who forgot to even bath in the morning came and they were just making a noise and threatening with guns. Maybe some people will be scared of your guns because we understand what you do. You come into the township and you want to scare Bomakoko. The landlords says, we're going to ban this house so that landlord can be scared and tell people to leave their businesses. Mamel, you'll do those things there where people get confused. And if you're a landlord, I won't just do this for my family alone. Not in my family houses. There's no one that's going to close any shop. That I can tell you for free. I don't even need backup. Le ka tla le million ba fetho. A ke le claim le bila ke le tshose. A re etseng re fetse. Ke ba boleletse ko Diepkloof. Ba tswile tsa ma shop nna ne butswi. The shop was open. Easily, it was open. So if people are coming and closing your shops, I'm going to tell you for free, no one has a right to close your shops. If they're saying, meaning what you are doing is illegal, please let's go to the police station, open a case so that I can get arrested right now if it's illegal. If there's no case that you can open at the police station, that means it's very simple. It's not illegal. It's your opinion. Keep your opinion to yourself. Because if we go to wherever you live and we start coming in with crowbars and opening and guns and we're threatening and you're scaring your own parents and your grandmothers, how will you feel? So don't expect us to just sit back when you've got a group of people in Soweto using people's voices. Never. I'm not saying this based on, representing any organization. Ki bua nna ka boholo ba ka kana nna ke moholo nna. Ke monna feletseng ke tje. Ena re tlo bolella ke banna ba mbatswang hole rona re tseng mo di community tsa rona. Ha re tlo bolella ke lona. Ha le sa batle ho reka mo di shopong tsa rona, re na le tsona mo. Re rekang ko shopong tsa batho ba bang. Ya magweng lo rekang ko. Le re tloele in peace because of you. Itla bantwa. Ena le re tlamele bentwa. Ha e bentwa e fele. Haebe ntwa e fela re batlo tseba hore mang o reng nako mang ba spitang ba tla commenta re go bolelle in life there's yin yang day night dark light chiefs pirates. You don't have to go with my opinion or you don't have to go with what I'm saying. You can disagree. Hulukile as long as disagreement esa etso rong ke sethunya o tlo tshosa ba heso bana o tlo tshosa bo mme le monkgono nna family nyaka then ke mo tlo kopanang teng and re ka ifetsa strateng yo a sebutata and rona re tsamaye re batlana le batho by the way ne ba thenkwatla wa sogela rona mo re dulang teng re robala teng le batswadi ba rona le bana ba rona ke mo tlo tsebang hore re banna ba felletseng re are batho ba tsamayang fela ntse ba batla ntse ba populetsa re tseba taba tsa rona. So ke nana re nka setse telle video ke batla hore le itsebe ntwe hore le nkgono. If you know that you do not have backup and people are threatening you, khono batla tshesa ntlo. Ha o sa tsebe o rwetseng, o ka re founela rona ba bang. O re bitse, re tlatla. Ha ona balloi, ba ileng hore ba tlo re bana ba lona ba tswe dikolong kapa dikoloi tsa lona tse le dinkileng ka dikoloto le dipatela ka dikoloto tseo ka di rent tseo tsa di business, batho ba tlo dinka di repossessiwe because of hona le batho ba nang le opinion. Ha se molao tswa moyo. And ha ile molao, ha re bue police station o bule case. Otherwise tswa mo rona. And o khono ha ile re wena hona matla hona ditlola hona banna mo dulang teng o re bitse rona re ka ra so ethu re bitse ha ba kwala tla be re le mo re kgathetse ke terrain banana ngore ba ikenya mo rena nako ya batho ba rona to re nana la re tshosa le bua sezulu bile a le meng hanyane lona you must come correct ba ke le tipe before ke le bana those who come into people's houses ntse ba kwala diphasa they do one of two things. They say that come call a van, you must move this your stock. Number one, they did not help you buy the stock. I'll tell you that for free. And I'm happy. Wait, but Linshloy because of Naki represent and Nita. He presented the organization kapa gangsters in Nitiki. They'll say when you must take out the stock. You must take out the stock with your own hands. That means you are taking out your own stock. If someone comes out more and hey, nsang stock o sa re batle batho ba mo. Wena ntsha stock re bona o fella kae and I lore o tile ka tsela e wena o nana hore wena you above the law re bolaye chisa ntwes you promise hore ka chisa re bone re tla fella kae and ke nana hore sometimes o lwana wa thusa because of after re lwana hwa fela hantse re bua haholo
Kunezinto ezimbalwa engicabanga kufuneka sizilungise la. Okokuqala, yiphutha elisho Nhlanhla Lux ukuthi abantu bafike bathi bayi-march and march ngoba uPhakela Umthakathi aka-represent i-march and march lapho esuke khona. uPhakela Umthakathi une-organization yakhe okuthiwa insizwa nobunsizwa. Nabantu futhi bathi bebelinda uPhakela Umthakathi, hhayi ukuthi bebelinda i-march and march. Ividiyo esiqale ngayo uZandile Dabula uyachaza ukuthi uNhlanhla Lux wayithunyelwe yi-ANC ukuze azo-infiltrate i-Operation Dudula. Uthi ngakho iyagcina i-Operation Dudula ile ndlela eyiyo. Mawusizwa kahle istatement sakhe la uthi kuloya muzi kuseyihlotsheni zakhe. Ufonelwe zihlobo zakhe zamtshela zamazisa ngabantu abafuna ukuxosha abantu abaqashileyo lapha kulela garage eliyisitolo. Kodwa amalungu omphakathi uma ekhuluma nabanye abafowethu laba abane podcast ekuthiwa yini abakwaMchunu bakhuluma isitori esehlukile. Ngicela uzwe la.
Okay, ukufika kwethu la izolo sithe bavala ne sabatshela ukuthi ngoba uMastenta akasabafuni abavali bahambe. So namhlanje safika, I'm the first person namanye ama-leader ukufika la ngo-7. So masifika sihleli bavalile but silinde ukuthi bakhiphe into zabo. Masisahleli okay wafika uNhlanhla Lux. Uthi uNhlanhla Lux ufike kanjani? I don't know. I asked one of these guys yama Somali yabarnek ke rona re phone tso Nhlanhla Lux or atle a tlo buisana leni le community. Nhlanhla Lux o biditse the landlord a bitsa landlord a re shosho a sa babatla ba dumela rone a dumela re a sa babatla a re okay ka lora o sa babatla is fine, they can go. When the problem started how fitla Phakela Umthakathi, because that community ne ba emele Nhlanhla Lux ba ile ba tsamaya ba ya kae ko motho no le re ba mo tseba re ba mo emetse for today ba tlo felletsane Spar sa re ba itseng ba move out. Yesterday Nhlanhla Lux was not there with the community, so the community the time ba thoma o lilizela for Phakela Umthakathi abelo re Nhlanhla Lux o ba leni le problem ya hore why manje neba bias, and no one was bias because even Leonard Mufile nako ya high attention ya high for his side, but ramota hore moraona asimoloro we can go back forward we go. Le abutsa Phakela Umthakathi ya re ya lento iqalwe yimi what yes we understand yaba Dudula, but end of the day iDudula yaphelela phi ne community azange esaqhubeka isize le community the way ibe ingakhona bathi iDudula the abantu bahamba. So ukufika kumphakathi ile yajabulisa icommunity ngakhulu ukubonisa ukuthi lo muntu lo afikile uyo muntu akasizani icommunity. So like manje ulandlord she's happy everything uthi labantu baphumile eJarden lakhe.
Usho ukuthi umshana kaNhlanhla Lux ile ndoda yasePakistan noma yaseSomalia elapha ebe-rent shop. Ngoba phela uNhlanhla Lux uzwele uthe yena ufonelwe umshana wakhe wamtshela into eyenzakalayo. Wayeseyeza ke. Kodwa lo ushilo wathi khona umuntu osemfonele uNhlanhla Lux. Ngike ngachaza ekuqaleni ngathi kukhona abantu ababenefitayo abawagadayo lama Somalia or Bangladesh or ilaba base noma Ethiopia. Kukhona abantu ababagadayo, labo bantu labo bayabenefita. Angeke uzubathinte, yingakho ke ubone ukuthi iSomalia leli noma lo mhloba uye lo uvele wathatha ifone wafonela uNhlanhla Lux ngoba uyazi ukuthi uyena umuntu obavikelayo. Uthe emveni kokusuka wonke umsindo sawabona ama-video, kodwa kuseni namuhla ngibona ivideo ebifakwe uPhakela Umthakathi foka ndaba. esho ukuthi eveza ukuthi labantu laba baqoqile njengoba lo bhuti ebesho ukuthi hayi bahambile labantu ngoba noma stende the landlord ubesengasabafuni.
Nomgad, sacred to sleep at 2 minutes. I
Sindafika ubanga awusizanga lutho ngoba ekugcineni kosuku bagcine behambile labantu. Kodwa ikhona izinto ezibalekile eshiwo nguye uNhlanhla Lux ukuthi labantu laba bebeqashise labantu bebondla imindeni yabo benezidingo zabo, abanye befundisa izingane ezikoleni ngoba becollect rent evela lapha kule spaza shop. Sengiya imagine nje kufika umuntu wakithi athi ufuna ishop ngithi akakhokha 2.5 ngenyanga uzobabaza athwala izandla ekhanda. Into yokuqala nje leyo. Futhi ke ishop kumuntu okwa operate ishop uyayazi into engishoyo. Ishop ayiyenzi imali eningi. Ishop into zakhona iphela kancane kancane, kuphela ushukela, kuphela impuphu, kuphela amaswidi, kuphela ini, kuphela ugwayi, ufuna kancane kancane uyothenga. Kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi uzuyi-understande kahle ugcine usubona ukuthi ungayi-operate kanjani, iziphi izinto ezihambayo nezingahambi ukuze ukwazi ukuthi uyi-maintain. Okwesibili, la mashop njengoba uyibona igcwele kufuneka imali yangempela about 20 to 25,000 ukuze ube nesitoko nje sigcwele kahle, ungathengisi ayikho. So ngiyangezwe nje kuthiwa funa abantu bakithi barana amashop, ubone ukuthi hey Nkosi yami khona vele kufanele kodwa nje kusazothatha isikhathi. Ikhona into engashiwo former president uThabo Mbeki wathi ngapha eKapa abantu bakhona bavele bahlangana namaSomalia kwavunyelwana ukuthi cha nina nisishaya ngeprice, kufuneka sonke sithengise ngeprice eyi-1, uma kukhuphuka sikhuphuke sonke. Akuphindanga abantu bakhona baba nenxabano ngoba i-competition ika ngokuthi umuntu ufuna ukuthenga kuphi, kodwa iprice yodwa abayibeka ngoba bezama ukugwema inkinga zokuthi kungabi namsindo. Angiyibambe le video bengithi nje ngikulethele i-update nanokuthi uNhlanhla Lux utheni, kodwa nje lilonke igcinele shop abantu beyithathile into zabo baphuma. Uqala phansi kurun shop akufani nokuhlala nje ulindele ukuthi makuphela inyanga uzokhokha ngezimali erent, into ezithu ezehlukene. Ngiyazi ukuthi phela vele akaba khona amashop ngaphambilini, kodwa hey umsebenzi shop umsebenzi wangempela. Mina nje ngufisa angeke ngize ngirane mina ispaza shop ngoba iyasebenzisana leyana, iyasebenzisana.